Nespresso Expert Original Espresso Machine. Versatility. Nespresso Expert offers 4 different single-serve coffee or espresso cup sizes including Ristretto 0.85 ounce, Espresso 1.35 ounce, Lungo 3.7 ounce, and for the first time Americano 0.84 ounce coffee and 4.2 ounces hot water. Pour over ice to create your favorite iced coffee drinks. Powerful coffee maker. There are 3 temperature settings, medium, hot and extra hot, to fit your needs, which also includes a separate spout for hot water and Americano preparations. The 19-bar high-performance pump offers Barista-grade coffee every use. Smart coffee maker, Bluetooth, LED, technology enables you to create personalized single-serve coffees, easy Nespresso capsule reordering, and simplified machine care and assistance. Connect your Nespresso Expert to the Nespresso mobile app that gives you the power to create your own personalized coffees. Features: this machine has a large 38-ounce water tank and a very large 14-count used capsule container. The machine also has a fast heat-up time of only 30 seconds. There is an energy-saving automatic shut-off at 9 minutes of inactivity. Complementary gift. Each espresso machine includes an Nespresso Original Capsule Welcome Kit with a range of capsules with unique aroma profiles. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.